Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can nail this royal Victorian hair look in DTI. So if you're ready to feel like royalty, in this tutorial, I'm revealing the secret steps to create the perfect royal Victorian hair look. So you can use this later when you got the royalty theme. So let's just head to the hair salon. So for this Victorian look, you need to use 4 hairstyle. First one in here, use this hair. You can change the color with the color that you want. I'm going to use this colors in here. And the second one, you need to use this here. This one. Don't forget to use the same color. And next one is this here. This one. And the last one, you can go to the bangs section and use this bangs with the same color. So now it is done, and this is the final look for the Victorian hair for royalty theme in DTI. So whether you're going for queen, duchess, or classy tea party vibe, this hair combo will have you flying the historical look in style. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and also click on the thanks. I'll see you all on the next ones. Bye!